and can keep the attack going on the right side.
Well,
they've lost the ball. That's good support as they build this attack. No pressure on him, just lost his sense of geography. They just weren't going anywhere. He read that passage of play and was able to make the interception. He's in for the goal! A difficult situation for the attacker because the defenders just dominated it.
Evo, sad je mogo da pogreši pa da doda meni da mu da meni golčinu, ali eto,
It's good to know how much longer there is. This wasn't always the case, certainly when I started commentating. We've got 2 added minutes. Back, Youssoufa. Manu Del Moral. So it's 1-0 here as the half-time whistle goes. It's been tight, it's been tense, it's been terrific, really.
Well, it has. You can't take your eyes off it, although there's not been a feast of goals. It's been one of those matches where you never quite know what's going to happen next.
Still great anticipation here as we get ready for the second half. He's got space. In with the chance. He's taken the chance beautifully. They're in, they've scored, they're surely home and dry. Now it's 2-0. Back, Youssoufa. This is the chance. Oh, what a brilliant goal. Well, they've gone further behind, and I'm afraid the fingers are being pointed at the goalkeeper.
I'm looking at the manager as well, Martin, probably thinking about substituting the way he's playing.
And the score is 3-0. Back, Youssoufa. Some options now for the pass. And here's the shot. That's more like the goalkeeper we know than the one we've seen for the majority of this game.
Yeah, he's been a bit hesitant. His handling's not been good, but all came back to him then.
All credit for shooting, but it wasn't a very good shot. It's another attack with plenty of support for him. What a chance here. He's gone for goal. They're not calling off the hounds, are they? They want to widen the margin even more. Setting the standards here, the skipper.
Yeah, just when the team wanted somebody to lead from the front, he's done it yet again.
Well, they're dominating now. 4-0 on the scoreline. Back, Youssoufa. Well, he's lost the ball here. Well, he's got support here. You can see, oh, he's hurt a leg muscle.
Rafinha, stiži, bravo. Ajmo. Probavamo se, Rafinha nešto ima najjaču ocjenu.
Keep the ball at the moment.
88.
He's got to score, and he goes for goal. He tried his luck, but his luck was out.
Ja, mislio sam da sam uzeo.
I must say he's looking tired. They might have to take him off. Now he's looking for support.
Ajmo, pa protrči bre tu, jako su loši. Imam dva dobra igrača, Rana što smo dobili svaku paketu. Ajde,
Here
probamo
he
da
is with a
podate.
chance, and it leads to this shot. Well, he was leaning back too much, and that's what happens.
Što šuti, i sad
Yeah,
će da
that ball
doda
was
ljudima.
only going to head
Možda
one
ću
way,
oddat
and that
gol.
was high into the stands.
Ah, da, da, drugo milijon. Ajmo jedan put odavde, probamo. Se zezamo više.
He's had a go here from long range.
Well, maybe he won't have a go in the near future either, if that's a sign of anything, because nowhere near to testing the keeper.
Probat ćemo 5-0, ali teško. Teško, sad će sudija nam prekine napad. Evo sudija.
Here's the opportunity. He's pulled up short because
Nemoj sudija, nemoj sudija, nemoj